Hello everyone, welcome to the World K-Pop channel. ARMY angry even though BTS again calms fans via Instagram after stalking BTS's stalker files for marriage certificate. Bighit music opens sound. In a recent development, a disturbing incident involving a stalker and members of the globally renowned K-pop sensation, BTS, has sent shockwaves throughout the ARMY community. The individual, whose identity is being withheld to protect the victim's privacy, was arrested by law enforcement after attempting to obtain a marriage license with a member of BTS. Has understandably shocked and angered the ARMY community. BTS loyal fans, known for their unwavering support, have voiced their concerns and come together to condemn such invasive and dangerous behavior. This incident is a reminder of the challenges faced by fans in maintaining their privacy and personal security. BTS members, like any other individual, have the right to live their lives without fear of harassment or harm. Bighit music opens up about the arrest of a woman who was stalking BTS. Thursday, October 26, a woman in her 20s was arrested for following V to his apartment. This woman tried to talk to V by waiting outside the building. When V arrived at the apartment in his car, he followed V's steps until he entered the apartment building. Apart from that, the next morning, this woman was arrested by the police. Reportedly, he plans to submit a marriage certificate to the singer whose real name is Taehyung. The police then used this information to arrest the woman. The police also revealed that this woman had a record of stalking V in the past. It is not yet known whether there will be any further action from the authorities. Today, Friday, October 27, Bighit Music stated, "We respond with a policy of zero tolerance for crimes that stalk and disrupt the lives of our artists and threaten their safety." In fact, netizens on Twitter social media are unable to calm down after the stalking case happened to BTS. In fact, BTS has tried to ensure fans, ARMY, that his condition is fine after the stalking incident. However, BTS's words were less powerful in stopping the anger of ARMY, who were already burning. ARMY, known for their unwavering support and devotion to BTS, quickly supported V after the stalking incident. Social media platforms were flooded with messages of concern, solidarity, and calls for increased security measures to protect the group's members. The unity shown by ARMY during this difficult time shows the deep emotional connection they have with BTS. For V, this incident was undoubtedly a sad experience. The intrusion into his personal space has raised questions about the safety and security of not only V, but the entire BTS members. V has shown incredible resilience and continues to interact with fans through carefully curated social media posts to reassure them of his well-being. Additionally, BTS's V made sure to reassure fans on Weverse following news of a woman being arrested for stalking him. Even though this would be a traumatic experience for anyone, BTS V still showed quite a thoughtful attitude. After saying, "Hey, I'm fine, don't worry," on Weverse, V went on Instagram and shared some memories from his past schedule while preparing for the album Layover. This was probably done by BTS so that fans would forget a little about this terrible incident. However, even though BTS tried various ways to convince fans, it is not surprising that ARMY still couldn't hide their anger. Following our ARMY expressions of anger on Twitter. How many times have we been told that stalking is wrong and now rot in prison? Just like what happened yesterday, right after he came back from a trip and in a place that was supposed to be his sanctuary where he could relax completely. Taehyung comforted us on Weverse like a friend, saying, "It's okay there, don't worry. Wipe your tears," even though he was the one who was the victim here. "Oh Tae, the world really doesn't deserve your sunshine. The punishment wasn't worth it. What makes them think that God won't do the same thing again? He should be in jail. And various other comments.
Catch me if I fall.